Hi, this is Neil Guest with the Power Lead System. I want to welcome you here. I'm not sure how you got here. Maybe it was from a Hangout. Maybe you upgraded from Lead Lightning. Maybe you found an advertisement online and you're wondering what this is all about. Let me tell you what the Power Lead System is. The Power Lead System is a community. It's a community of people that are going to help you succeed. Not just that, but it's a marketing system. You're going to be able to create anything that you want that's going to help you make money online, whether it's a video sales page, video lead capture pages, Google Hangout pages, video postcards. We've got everything here. But you know what? I think the most important thing I want to say is this. If you're brand new, I'm here to tell you that you're not going to find better support anywhere else. We're going to get you started with our Facebook group. We're going to answer your questions. I personally am going to answer your questions on Facebook and during our Hangouts. You're going to have other members that are going to be stepping up to help you and answer questions. We're going to give you training throughout the week. We're going to have videos in the training area that's going to show you everything that there is to know. You're going to learn about advertising, about marketing. You're going to learn how to bring people into your business. So again, if you're brand new, you are in the right place. And I'm excited for you because, man, I wish I had this when I first got started. So let me go through your steps here. And I'm going to point out, obviously, step one below the video you're watching right now is to join our Facebook group. This is a chance for you to ask questions, meet other members, get advice, get help. It's a great community of other members. Now, once you've joined our Facebook group, step two is to choose what link below that you want to advertise. Now, let me say something about this really quick. I know that there is a lot of people that get started with the Power Lead System that don't want to set anything up right away. I'm not sure where you are, but because of the feedback that we kept getting, we decided that we were going to create two complete funnels. I mean, literally everything complete. The lead capture page, the sales page, the autoresponder campaign, set up 100% from the very start. And that's exactly what we did. We've got referral link A or referral link B. Now, these two funnels, I'm going to show them to you and what they do, but they're exactly the same except for one difference. Referral link B is going to allow you to choose a website that you want to promote. So let me explain how this works. Right below this video, you're going to notice that you have your own personal link for referral link A. That's going to track to you. Everything is set up, ready to go, and it links to you. You've also got a link under referral link B. That is your personal link. Whatever link you decide to advertise, whether it's A or B or both, it's going to track to you. You're going to get credit for any sales that purchase the Lead Lightning. All the leads that opt into the lead capture page are going to go into your contact manager. So let me show you how this works, and I'm going to start with referral link B. Now, both of these funnels are exactly the same. As I said, the only difference is the autoresponder campaign. So let me show you the lead capture page for these funnels. I love this because what this does, it allows you to start out giving away value. And these work great, no matter if you're advertising them on Facebook, solo ads, click vendors. I mean, wherever you're out there marketing, it's a really good thing if you could be offering people something they need. So let me walk you through the steps of what happens when someone opts in to your lead capture page. The first thing that happens when they opt in, they land on a congratulations page. And this is going to tell them that their lead system is waiting for them in their inbox. But hey, wait, before you go grab that free system, we're going to offer you something amazing. We're going to offer you something very special. And they're going to click this Get Instant Access button. And that's going to bring them to the Lead Lightning sales page. And guess what? Every buyer, you're going to make a $6 commission. So right off the bat, we're giving you a funnel that's going to help you make money. It's going to help you generate leads. It's going to help you build your list. All of this can be done by marketing either referral link A or referral link B. For example, this is the autoresponder campaign that goes out with referral link B. Some of these emails are going to prompt your prospects to buy or purchase Lead Lightning, and some of them are going to link to whatever website that you enter below this video here. And I'll show you that a little bit more in just a second. This is just one of the emails that's going to go out to your prospects automatically when they opt in to your lead capture page. And at the bottom it says, look, you need to have the right vehicle to create time freedom. To see what I drive, visit here. And guess what? That visit here link is clickable, and it's clickable to the website that you want to promote. You see, referral B is all about us helping you promote whatever business or whatever website that you want to promote. Now, obviously, not everybody joining the Powered Lead System has another business. And that's why we created Referral Link A. Because Referral Link A, the only difference is it's not going to have these emails with that link in it. The only thing Referral Link A is going to do is prompt your prospects to purchase Lead Lightning. So it's real simple. If you don't have another business, you're going to use Referral Link A. If you do have a business that you want to promote, you're going to use Referral Link B. And again, your personal links are located right below this video. You're simply going to copy your link and you're going to go advertise your link. Now, if you're choosing to use Referral Link B, you got to have a website that you're going to be promoting. This might be your network marketing company website. This might be an affiliate offer. It's going to be any website that has your username or your member ID inside the address bar, and it's something that you are promoting online. Very simple. Once you enter that here, you're going to click update, and that website, like I just showed you, is going to be inserted all throughout that autoresponder campaign. All right, now I'm going to shift gears just a little bit. I'm going to say this. We're not here to push you faster than you want to learn. You can learn at your own pace, your own level. I want this to be fun for you. I want you to get excited about this. So let me show you something that I hope will get you very excited. When you're ready, what I want you to do is hover over training and click on training area. When you come here for the very first time, you're going to click on the left, and what you're going to do is you're going to register for our training area. Once you've registered, whenever you come back, you're going to click here to log in. And the first thing I want to point out inside the training area is right here called Daily Tip. Write that down if you have to. Daily Tip. When you click on Daily Tip, that's going to bring you to a section that allows you to watch a video per day at your own pace. You've got 8 days worth of videos here. And here's the funny thing. Most of these videos are under 10 minutes. I added up all the time combined between every single video in this 8-day training series. And if you divide it by 7, it's less than 15 minutes per day. That's all it's going to take for you to master this system. Go through these videos at your own pace. If something starts to seem difficult, stop, maybe take some notes, maybe go ask a question on our Facebook group. This is really going to help you. It's going to be worth whatever effort that you put towards learning this system. Now, I'm going to be talking about some of this other stuff on your video tour of your system, but I wanted to point out we do Hangouts every week, 10 o'clock Eastern on Wednesdays. You can ask questions, you can be there and watch, invite your guests, and the link to watch that Hangout, to see a replay, is right here. And if you wanted to know anything about advertising your link, click packages, solo ad vendors, is going to be found right here in this marketing section. Now here we are in your Powered Lead System back office. I wanted to point out a couple of last things before we wrap up this video. This is the page that you're going to see whenever you log in. Whenever you want to get back to this page, just click on Getting Started. And if you notice right here, this top green button, this is all about you getting your own domain. You're going to want to have your own domain with the Powered Lead System. I'm going to suggest you do this as soon as possible. Come here, click here, and get a domain. Let me talk about these other buttons that you see on the page. This button right here, if it's red, That means you are not an affiliate. You're going to want to be an affiliate. You're going to want to be able to earn commissions when someone comes through your funnel and says yes to becoming a gold member. Adding your picture, that's pretty self-explanatory. And finally, we are so fortunate to have such high value products like we have right here. If you want to learn more about free ad secrets or Social Profit Academy, all you have to do is click inside this little arrow here, and that's going to show you a video all about that product and how you can get started with it. When you're ready to buy or purchase one of these products, all you're going to do is click on the button, and from there, you're going to be given the opportunity to make that purchase. The last thing I want to point out is this. Under the video that you're watching right now, if you scroll down the page, you're going to notice two more buttons. These are two great videos that you're going to want to watch right away. Now that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you on our next Hangout, and I also look forward to answering your questions and meeting you on our Facebook group. We'll see you there.